EMF equation for an alternator. We know Faraday's law. According to Faraday's law, E is equal to N d phi by dt, where N is number of conductors. Of course, minus sign will be there if you use Lenz's law. If you apply Lenz's law. Without Lenz's law, simply E is equal to N d phi by dt. N is number of conductors. So what is the EMF per conductor? So simply divide this whole thing with N, number of turns gone. So d phi by dt. Now what's the average value of EMF induced? Average value of EMF induced. So d phi in one revolution, because conductor is rotating, in one revolution the total flux is phi into number of poles divided by dt. What is the change in time? N is equal to rotations or revolutions per minute. I want revolutions per second, so N by 60 is revolutions per second. But I want here time. I want seconds per revolution. So reverse this. 60 by N. d phi by dt is this one. So this is the average induced EMF per conductor. Now we know this N in case of an alternator, N is equal to 120F by P. You are rotating at a fixed speed, which is synchronous speed. If you simply substitute that over here, or else I'm just rewriting this into Ns by 60. Now substitute Ns in place of Ns, 120F by P, 120F by P. P get cancelled. This is 2 times. So you are getting 2 pi F is the average value of EMF induced per conductor. One conductor is having this much. So what about one turn? Per turn you will have into 2, because each turn, this is one turn is having 2 conductors. One is this conductor, another one is this conductor. 2 conductors, so I am multiplying into 2. So this is simply 4 times of phi into F. These in volts. Now what I want RMS value, not average value, because alternator it is AC. In case of AC alternator, RMS value is required, not the average value. So we know the relation between average value and RMS value, which is 1.1 times of average value will give you the RMS value. So I am multiplying this average value with 1.11 times, which is a form factor of a sinusoid. So this much volts per turn. Okay. Now per phase I want, not per turn. One turn is having this much, but in one phase I want one phase. Suppose each phase has 100 turns. So you multiply with 100. If it is having 10 turns, you will multiply with 10. So simply number of turns per phase. You are multiplying with number of turns per phase. So this much volts. Suppose if you have some winding factor is also involved here, 4.44 into phi into F into T phase, winding factor Kw, where Kw is pitch factor into distribution factor, or simply you can write it as product of these two is Kw. So this is a EMF equation derivation for an alternator or a synchronous generator or synchronous machine. Here you have to write each and every term. What is phi? Flux per pole. F is frequency. T is turns per phase. Kp is a pitch factor. Kd is a distribution factor. Kw is winding factor. Everything you have to write. Like and subscribe for more such kind of simple videos.